रोज एक सवाल।
सवाल सॉल्व करने के बाद वो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर देना। रोज सवाल का नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हें मेल बॉक्स में आ जाएगा। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन।
A tank is emptied every day at a fixed time point. Immediately after, either pump A or B or both start working until the tank is full. On Monday, A alone completed the tank at 8 pm. Okay. On Tuesday, B alone completed the tank at 6 pm. So let's say the tank is empty at, let's say, certain point in time, after which A alone is taking, A let's say is taking X number of hours. So we can certainly say that B is taking 2 hours less because it is stopping at X 6 pm, completing at 6 pm. So B is taking X minus 2 hours, right? On Wednesday, A worked till 5 pm and then B worked from 5 to 7. So A worked till 5 pm, after which B completed the work from 5 to 7. If we compare this scenario with the first scenario, A moves, if A would have continued this work, A would have gone till 8 pm, but B is completing in 2 hours what A would have done in 3 hours. Therefore B must be 1.5 times A. How do we get this? Very, very simple. It's there in the question itself. Have a look at this. After A worked till 5, B worked from 5 to 7 to fill the tank. In the first case, if you see, after 5, A is taking 3 hours and B is taking 2 hours. So therefore B is 50% more efficient than A. B is 50% faster than A. So B is 1.5 times A, which basically means that the time taken here, X upon X minus 2, should also be equal to 1.5, because the time taken is inversely proportional to efficiency. Okay, so X upon 1 X minus 2 is 1.5. So then if you solve this becomes 1.5x minus 3. So X becomes equal to 6. X become equal to 6. Now we know that A had worked till 8 pm, which basically means that if I take X is equal to 6, then every day the tank is emptied at 2 pm. Every day the tank is emptied at 2 pm. Now A is taking 6 hours, B is taking 4 hours. One day, on Thursday, both are working together. So let's add their work. So 1 by 4 by 1 by 6 is the 1 hour work. So 1 hour work combined is, so this is 12, this is 3 plus 2. So combined they will take 12 upon 5 hours, which is 2.4 hours. So 2 hours and 24 minutes. So starting from 2 pm, if you calculate 2 hours and 24 minutes, the answer will come out to be 4:24 pm. I hope this is clear to you. Again, a very beautiful question with the very basic concepts, and you could very well solve this question in 30 to 40 seconds if you really put the basics rightly. I hope this is clear to you. Wish you all the very best. Keep happy, keep learning.